Good morning. We are honored to present our research entitled Impact of Regional Trade Agreements in Agriculture Sustainability in Poblacion, Nara, Palawan. The main goal of our research is to examine how trade agreements affect the sustainability of agricultural practices in our local community. Particularly in Poblacion, Nara, Palawan, we wanted to understand whether these agreements help improve farmers' livelihood and promote sustainable farming, or if they bring certain challenges. Without further ado, let us begin our presentation with the background of the study. The background of the study shows how agriculture plays an important role in the Philippine economy. According to the Philippine Statistic Authority or PSA 2023, agriculture provides jobs for many Filipinos and helps ensure food security, especially in a province like Palawan. So, this means farming is very important for both the economy and the daily lives of Filipino and rural areas. However, regional trade agreements bring both benefit and challenges to local farmers, as stated by Del Prado et al. 2021 and the Food and Agriculture Organization. These agreements can open new markets for agricultural products but also create more competition for more small farmers. This study focuses on the perceptions of residents in Nara, Palawan. It aims to understand how local farmers view these changes and how their experiences can help in making sustainable agriculture policies that truly support farming communities in a time of growing trade and competition.
So, for the statement of the problem, these are the key problems we focus on as a guide for our study. Number one, how do farmers and local residents in Nara perceive the impact of regional trade agreement on the sustainability of their agricultural practices? And number two, what challenge and benefits do farmers experience as a result caused by these agreements and market competition, pricing, and farming conditions? And number three, in what ways do these agreements affect the environment, including the land use, um, soil quality, and resource management. And last, number four, what policy recommendation can be made to support the farmers and maintain the agricultural sustainability aim in going regional trade integration? So, significance of the study. This study is important for the farmers because it's helped them to understand how regional trade agreement affect their farming and environment. For the local government, it's provide data to create policy that support sustainable farming in Nara. And for the official, it guides balanced decision for economic growth and environmental care. For the researchers, it adds knowledge useful for future studies. So, scope and delimitation. So, yung study po namin is nakapokus lang po siya kung paano po ba naapektuhan ng regional trade agreement po yung agricultural po dito sa Nara Poblacion, Palawan. And tinitignan din po namin yung economic and environmental and social aspect, lalo na po yung perspective po ng mga lokal na farmers. And yung study po namin ito is nakalimit lang po siya sa Nara Poblacion, Palawan.
In this presentation, I will discuss the related literature of this study. So per study, according to Nogroho et al. 2024, the study focused on how global trade agreements affect agricultural prices in 28 Asian countries from 1991 to 2020. The results show that increased agricultural prices while the joining the WTO had a negative effect. So the study also highlights factors such as inflation, exchange rates, and agricultural value added. The author suggested promoting fair trade, supporting farmer education, and investing agricultural infrastructure. This study is related to our research because it shows how trade policies affect farmer income and agricultural sustainability. So, second study, according to Bigen and Switzer in 2021, the study examined trade costs and global agricultural and food market, including transportation costs, border measure, and non-tariff measure. The author also provided policy recommendations to reduce these costs This study is related to our research because trade costs and can affect agricultural sustainability and market efficiency, especially in local communities.
According to Boyd et al. 2022 na ang agricultural integration sa Southeast Asia ay sinasabi dito na para maunawaan na kung paano makakatulong ang regional trade cooperation sa pag-unlad ng economy. This study by the buyer brainstorms ang free trade argument FTAs ay maepekto sa international trade. And based naman kay Carrere 2006, ang paggamit ng gravity model ay para mas maging accurate ang pagsusuri ng mga epekto ng mga regional trade arguments. Conceptual framework. Dito makikita ang aming independent variable and regional trade arguments. And ang dependent variable naman ay ang residents' perception of agricultural sustainability in poblasyon Nara Palawan. So, this is study na kung paano makaka-apekto ang agricultural sustainability dito sa Nara.
Research design. This study used descriptive quantitative research design. The descriptive quantitative research design aims to describe the characteristics, behaviors, and opinions of respondents as they exist in their current state. It focuses on collecting numerical data through surveys and uses statistical tools to analyze the interpret results. This design helps determine how regional trade agreements affect agricultural sustainability and measurable terms. The local of the study. This study is titled Impact of Regional Trade Agreement, Agriculture, Sustainability in Poblacion Nara, Palawan. As the participants of the study, random farmer residents at Poblacion Nara, Palawan, total of 130 selected farmers. Research instrument. The researchers prepared surveys questionnaire for this research entitled Impact of Regional Trade Agreement on Agricultural Sustainability in Poblacion Nara, Palawan.
For the data gathering procedure, first we will ask permission sa research advisor to the campus director at sa barangay captain ng Poblasyon Nara, Palawan gamit ang formal letters. Tapos sa Poblasyon Nara, magdi-distribute kami ng survey questionnaires para makakuha ng data gathering. Ethical considerations suit the permission from the campus director at barangay captain of Poblacion Nara, Palawan to conduct the study outside the campus. We were kindly approaching formally request their cooperations. Data privacy and anonymity was maintained throughout the process.